Hey guys, so today the reason why I'm in my room because we still doing the Australian birds because of a parrot poster. See, that's the parrot poster I'm about to. I'm not sure how I want to make videos there. So we're gonna start off. So some parrots can live mostly around ancient animals. Okay, so we're gonna start off. A sulfur-crested cockatoo is sometimes known as the white cockatoo or the yellow-crested cockatoo. So, so that means the name sulfur comes from that further on the head. It's similar to, according to legend, they say that a sulfur is a god of sun and moon together. That's the male, and the female is much smaller. The gang cockatoo, they get the name comes from the whole pack. So that means if they see danger, they fly away. So you can actually tell the female's right there and the male's right there. The male is the red one, so you have to remember that. The gala is found mostly around continental Australia, including chief inland areas. So gala means pink bird in the Aboriginal language. The Australian king parrot is one of the second largest parrot in the world, and also they actually found mostly around southern Australia. So including Northern Territory, Southern Victoria, or any kind of places. That one is an Australian king parrot. You see on my poster, the male is the green one, and the female. I think it's a female. I think. I'm not sure because. Maybe it must be something else. The pink cockatoo is known as the Major Michelle cockatoo, leather-beaked cockatoo, or wee jugular or colorina. And then you get the name comes from the pinkish color, and also when it raises up, that's for mating. So it's similar to the flamingo crest. Oh, I forgot the red-winged parrot. The red-winged parrot is closely related to Australian king parrot. However, is the difference, they are not usually as the king perfectly to live in pairs of small family groups, frequenting scrub and green forests, especially along watercourse. So they get the name red-winged parrot comes from this red wing right there, similar to this one, similar to the king parrot. So how many are left? And we have about a few more. So we're gonna see. Always halfway there. Okay. What we can make it? Princess parrot. They know as Alexandra parrot, rose throat parrot, or rose throat parakeet. And also they're closely related to rainbow lorikeets, including other parrots. So they get the name Princess Parrot because of the beautiful color. The yellow-tailed black cockatoo, they get the name that one comes from the yellow-tail at the back. It's like my poster right there. Like, I think you can see it up top of the gala. So that one right there. I think so. The palm cockatoo, known as palmy. Palmy is the Aboriginal word for palm cockatoo. In the legend, they say that the red moon rises every single night. And also, the ancients, they say that in ancient Aboriginal mythology, they create a little story. It's that Palmy was the son of the West-tailed eagle. So that means they have a different elements each. The palm cockatoo is a beautiful large black cockatoo, the only cockatoo in Australia without a collar band. And that one's a female. So that's the reason why they call them palm cockatoo, because of a long beak. And the long-billed corella is a cousin of the little corella, and also they get the name long-billed cockatoo comes from the long beak. and also mostly they thought it was a little koala. Or the long-billed koala, sorry. So we up to about the white crested rosella and the crimson rosella. They found known as eastern rosella, and the crimson parrot in this, and also white crested rosella known as the eastern rosella. And also they found mostly around eastern Australia, including in homes or the cemeteries. And also the diet can actually eat weeds according to my research. The crimson rosella, known as the crimson parrot, and the name crimson parrot comes from the color of the body. So the head and the body tells you that it's a crimson rosella, known as a red rosella. The cockatail is known as a Korean cockatoo or a cockatoo parrot, real crested cockatoo, and the cockatiel. That's how to say it, right? They get the name comes from the crest of this. It's a cousin of the a sulfur crest. The blue bonnet is it's a bit of a small size parrot, and then they do found mostly around eastern, maybe found mostly western New South Wales or other countries, including Victoria or eastern Southern Australia. They found mostly, and then you get the blue bonnet, which comes from each color has a blue on it, so you have to look carefully at the different color features. The turquoise parrot is known as the parrot is a chestnut shoulder grass parrot. It is also known as a beautiful grass parakeet or red shoulder parakeet. They get red shoulder parakeet comes from the wing, so similar to the wing. And also the turquoise, sometimes it can be colorful. Nearly there. Rainbow lorikeets. They found nearly around mostly in Melbourne, including the rainforest habitat. And the diet can be the herbivores. They eat fruit or other kinds of things they eat. And also, they get the name rainbow lorikeet comes from all the colors they have. They're similar to eastern rosella. The musk lorikeet, you get the name that one comes from. It's called the Green Creek or Green Leek musky lorikeet, musk crowded lorry, and red-eared lorry. They get the name red-eared lorry comes from this one right there. This has ears in them. The budgiga is like it's a very weird names, but I'm gonna try to give it a try. So they found mostly around also known as zebra parrot because of the stripe of a zebra. And what we have? Oh, this looks already finished. So we have 2 water birds. So hope you guys enjoy this one. This is the longest time. And also, please leave a comment down below. Please leave a comment down below. And also, looks like we have to the last section of this book. So comment below. Make sure to subscribe. And until then, I'm Aaron Chung. Be brave. And oh, sorry. Okay. And oh, sorry. I nearly messed up the book. Sorry. Stay wild. We'll see you on the next adventure.